Hello. Yeah, I was just relaxing, trying to watch a little bit of baseball on the Major League Baseball network, but um, this was the break for today. But because this will be for a different video, but because I went to the store and I got this mega box and this blaster box, and there was a really bad storm. Okay. Anyways, what I was trying to say was, I went to the store. I went to Barnes & Noble, picked up some hockey. I think I might have got every sport. There's some Prestige there. That was at Walmart up in Tunkhannock. I got two of these and a couple Pokemon things from Barnes & Noble, but I'll show you that at a different time. I have to show these because this is just phenomenal. And there was a really bad storm. What I was trying to show you was this. So, there was a really bad storm, and I got these two. They were like $50 a piece. And then I went to Tunkhannock because I couldn't believe I got two select mega boxes. And I tried to call my buddy Mark, but there was a really bad storm. I'm just going to keep saying, and there was a really bad storm. So basically what happened was, I was trying to get him to let him know. I texted him, but I didn't want to tell him what was going on because I wanted to talk to him in person about it. Here's the break. The two value packs. But anyways, so there was a really bad storm. So basically, I came back and it was pouring. And I finally got him after I got out of the really bad storm. Actually, it wasn't bad in Tunkhannock, but when I got to Dallas, it came down really hard. And then I went across the Cross Valley, which you won't know what that is unless you live here. So I went across the Cross Valley, and it was storming pretty good. Not horrible, but pretty good. And then I got up on 81 after I went over the Cross Valley, and there was a really bad storm. So basically, oh my God, it was so bad. I was like only doing 47 on 81 on the interstate highway. It was so bad, the really bad, what. And oh wow, I mean there was a couple cars pulled off the side of the road. I thought they were pulled off, but here they were pulled off, and there was a car. I don't know if a car just spun out and he was facing the wrong way, or maybe he went off and then turned to try to gain control, and maybe there was a car flew across the other side of the highway. I don't know, but I saw a red light, and here it was a headlight, or it was a rear light. Oh my God, it was so bad. But anyways, enough about me and the rain and the really bad storm. Let me do the football rundown really quick. Okay, who do we got? We got Arizona, TNB, Atlanta, Terry F, Baltimore, Jason P, Buffalo, George J, Carolina, Keith J, Chicago, Steve G, Cincinnati, Mr. Shim, Cleveland, Mark G. Dallas, Marty Z. Denver, Scott Ball. Detroit, John H. Green Bay, Paul M. Houston, Mark C. Indianapolis, Dave Z. Jackson, look at this, GB in Green Bay. All right, the initials, GB for Jacksonville. Kansas City, Crawman. LAC, Chargers, CW. I thought this was Los Angeles Raiders, but it's not. It's LA Rams, Joe E. Miami, Jim W. Minnesota, John H. New England, UJ. New Orleans, CW. New York, Tracy Ta. New York, Lacey Ta. Jets, Chris K. Philadelphia, DD. Pittsburgh, Al M. San Francisco, Joe M. Seattle, Jimmy Z. Tampa Bay, Chris L. Tennessee, Chris B. Vegas, Tyler U. And Washington, Richie C. Okay, let's get this back up. And because of that, me being able to get all those mega boxes, here's what I'm going to do. And because this was supposed to break last night and I was so tired I had to take a rest, I was just going to come back and I conked out. I'm giving you guys 2 free packs of Prestige. So after I get done with these 2, then I'm going to do that. Okay, let's get Chronicles. I'll do Chronicles first. I love Chronicles, but everything's a goddamn hit in Chronicles. It's ridiculous. Who is that? Debo Samuel. J.J. Watt. Warren Moon. Joey Bosa. Every time I open Chronicles, there's always at least 2 of Burrows. The San Diego guy, which I can never remember his name, Justin something. And then, Herbert. And then Tua. Those 3 made. And then there's always like Jalen Hurts, too. A lot of him. There's so many good players in this set. Right, who is this? I can't see that. It is... Oh, Teddy Bridgewater. Should have never got hurt for Minnesota. Chris Goodwin. That is... I have no idea what that is. Is that a Tua? It is. It's a Tua. It's a 3-card. Maybe that's an Omega. Looks like an... Yeah, it is an Omega. I see the signia up in the upper left. All right, so there's 1. Now we're going to get at least a Burrow or a Justin Herbert or another Tua. It's another Omega. I can't see who that is. Tyler. I can't see it. It is Tyler. Tyler Johnson. This is a sweet card. Check this one out. Indianapolis. Dave Z. I don't think it's numbered. It doesn't look numbered. Jonathan Taylor. Not numbered. Looks like it was numbered, but... Oh, these are sweet. Those painted cards. What are these, Luminuses? It's a rookie card of Jalen Johnson. Jordan Love for the Packers. Jeff, my God, Jerry Jeudy. This whole palette, look, just as I said, always 2 of the big bombers. 2 inserts for, what do you have, an Omega, and this is a Luminous, right? I always get these mixed up. Can't tell what that is. Sorry about the lighting. I put my shirt up there to block the direct light. So we're sort of working in the shadows. Because that direct light was just terrible yesterday. can't tell what that is. I think it's a luminous. I think it's a luminous. Right there it is, right there. What is that? It says rookie card luminous. Thought that's what that was. J.K. Dobbins. Seahawks rookie. Wait. That's a Ravens rookie. Why did I think that was Seahawks? I thought the Raven was a Seahawks. Oh, look at Jalen Hurts. Wow. Like I said, always two of the top three, and then one of like. Put these back in the pack so I don't drop them. All right. Yeah, there's always two of the top three, and Chronicles is beautiful. I love the set. I really love it, but too many good ones. All right, here we go. Season ticket. I can't tell who that is. Oh my God. Oh, Chase Claypool. Season ticket. Matt Ryan from when he played for BC. Season ticket. Joe Mixon for the Cincinnati Bengals. Who is that? I can't tell. That is, Daniel Jones out of Duke. Oops. That looks like a Notre Dame player. Probably his book, but I can't see it. Number 9. Jesus, that's twice I banged into that right in a row. Jason Smith, linebacker. Since when do linebackers wear the number 9? My shirt up there, blocking that. Alright, don't worry. This is the last time I'm ever doing a break that looks like this. I have like 6 break rooms, but I'm stuck here because all this stuff is stuck on the couch. Alright. Look at that. Number 9, linebacker, Notre Dame. Tell you what, I love Notre Dame, but morons. Let them do something stupid like that. Number 9 for a linebacker. What a joke. So I figured it was a book. I saw the number 9. You know, I can't tell who that is. It's Rob Gronkowski. Jesus. Alright, I can't tell what that is. This sucks. That was Todd Gurley. I thought that's who it was. That is Ryan Tannehill. I think he played for South Carolina. Oh, no, that was the other Tannehill. He played for Texas A&M. Saquon Barkley, Penn State, baby. Running back, number 26. Caleb Farley, draft class 2021. That's a sweet-looking card. And he played for, who was it? I want to say Virginia Tech, but that doesn't look like Virginia Tech's helmet. Unless it was an all-star game. Unless they changed their helmets, and usually their helmets are dark. I know he played for Virginia Tech. Wait, let me look. It's a purple. It's a purple. That's actually purple. I don't know if you could tell. That's a purple. That's awesome. But yeah, I know he played for Virginia Tech. I can't tell who that is. James Conner? From Pitt. I don't know who that is. That's a purple card also. It's a running back from Pitt. 2021. Yeah, running back for Pitt. I have no idea. Amari Cooper, wide receiver.